Oh, look at that. And
that's got good water in it too.
Dude,
there's what I want to fish.
Alright, and I believe we are where we are supposed to be. Let's unload.
We're trying to hunt down smallmouth. I called John. I said, hey man, really want some smallmouth. Let's go somewhere special in Oklahoma. So here we are. But it is gorgeous out here. This is just the launch. So hopefully we do good. And, get to fishing some reeds and stuff. Might try a frog or a spook on the outside of them. Just try to figure it out. It's my first time out here. I'm gonna get started. Alright guys, we got the first little bitty Oklahoma River. I think it's a Smallie. It looks like a Smallie. What do you guys think? Is that a Smallie? If it's a Smallie, leave me a comment. It's first one of the day. Woo! I mean, I set the hook out of the water on him. I felt something bite, but pretty little fish. See if we can catch his grandma. Oh, feisty little bugger.
You guys think I got this? I did it!
There we go. Oh, that's a nice one.
Nice.
There you go.
Oh my god, that's a gorgeous little Smallie, dude. Oh my god, look at this color on this guy, dude.
guys, if you saw my last video, I'm using the same rig, a caffeine shad, on a weighted keel hook. I'll put the link to the last video. And here you go, here's a nice size smallie. There's probably a couple big ones over here. I came all the way to Oklahoma. So Karen, I'm gonna tell you something. I know you catch the big ones. What? So we look a bottleneck right here, right? Like kind of narrows down. You got a deep end and a tapering shallow. The biggest fish are gonna be like lined up in there.
Got one? There we go. Oh! You ate it mid-swim. Nice. Oh!
Easy, girl. Look at that, man. That's beautiful.
Man, you got some feisty bluegill up here, guys. This is unbelievable. These little suckers are eating up everything.
I was just informed this is the last hole, so I'm gonna really nitpick some good spots for you. I have a fish on. Yeah, definitely got something on. Oh man. He had it in his mouth, he was swimming at me the whole time because I could feel him.
Got one.
Fish! Oh, big one! Thanks, Smallie. Oh, I got hooked him. That's a Smallie. Yeah. I got hooked him. I feel so bad. I'm about to. I just want him to slow down a bit. Bigger.
Another pretty smallie. Can't even see my smile, man. Yeah. Yep. Now this concludes our river trip. A big thank you goes out to Karen and Randy Rodriguez for being wonderful hosts, as well as Jon Barlow. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to click subscribe and stay fishy, my friends.